Kung aduna tay dili maayong bation, dili nato kini anging baliwalaon. Yunumdumi nga ang atong lawas mo'y atong puhunan. Busa, kung kita adunay bation, mukadto na dadyon kita sa People's Medical Clinic and Laboratory Badas. Dili na hasol ang pagpa-check up ug ang magpa-laboratory kay kini anaan na mismo sa atong tugkaran. People's Medical Clinic and Laboratory Badas. Sila nag-o-offer sama sa minor surgical procedure, sama sa circumcision or tuli, cyst and mole removal, suturing of wounds, dressing and debridement, implant removal, ug mo-issue usab sila og medical certificate. They also offer package fees for laboratories sama sa Buntis Package A, Buntis Package B, Employment Package, Annual for teachers, budget-friendly for your convenience. Consultation and laboratory starts at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Mondays to Saturdays. But wait! There's more! Libre ang pagpakonsulta sa adlaw Miyerkules. Walay pili, mapabata, hamtong ug senior citizen. Ang People's Medical Clinic and Laboratory ana alamang nahimutang sa second floor, igta sa building Puro 4, Barangay Badas Placer, Surigao del Norte. Mahimong makontak sa cellphone number 0912-202-5321. Available ang doktor every 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. People's Medical Clinic and Laboratory Badas. Your health is our priority.
People's Medical Clinic and Laboratory na makitaan atbang sa Badas Terminal, Barangay Badas, Placer, Surigao del Norte.